We're back on 104.8 The Cougar. In recent news, the Sergetti crime family has been accused of the recent robberies in our town. However, the typical lack of evidence leaves the family unscathed. The local mob is believed to be the cause of many problems in the community. The importation of drugs, illegal dealing of arms, robberies, and the beating up of old ladies are just a few examples of the family's past convictions. Unfortunately, our local police force has failed to find any solid evidence or witnesses. In other news, a local winemaker, Fortunato, has gone missing. While some people speculate that he has been kidnapped, some investigators believe the man has been murdered.
So this is the place, right? What do you think? Remember, we gotta be quiet, okay? Come on!
What was that?
A moose.
Speaking of woodland creatures, there's this raven that kept following me the other day. It was really...
Quiet, Jimmy. Did you hear that? Jimmy, you need to get out of here quickly. Just go out the back.
What about you, Jack? I can't just leave you.
I'll be fine. Don't worry about me.
Oh, God.
Oh, that was easy.
Ah!
You with a spicy meatball.
We need him alive.
So I did pretty good there, right, Mr. Spaghetti?
Yeah, except you always use a spicy meatball on it. Every time.
So we're taking him to the warehouse, right?
Yeah, yeah. Let's get the body, Tony.
Where am I?
Where do you think you are? We're in heaven.
Who said that?
Don't play dumb, Jack. You know who we are.
You don't look very excited to see us, Jack. What's wrong?
Yeah, I take offense to that.
He probably takes offense to your Parmesan breath.
I had to teach you one. Ah, crap, my pants just ripped. Come on, Tony, business.
Sorry, Bruno.
Why am I here?
Well, we planned to rob the... Don't go telling him about the whole plan. Gotta ease him into it.
Oh, like that time we got that guy drunk and walled him into your face?
No. Anyway, we require a certain assistant with the project.
Are you going to tell me anything about this project?
Can't always be the easy way with you. Always gotta go complicating things.
Aren't I simplifying things?
What was that? Alright, whatever. Tony, you tell him the plan.
Thanks, boss. So, as I was saying, we're gonna rob this store, see? Got this whole thing figured out. There happens to be a nice Goodwill on Jackson Street.
So what do you need me for? To open a cash register?
Hey, you call me stupid? Because I don't like when people call me stupid.
Shut up, Vinny. This is my plan to tell. Anyway, the mob isn't after some lousy cash. We're after double the cash. $2 bills, baby.
Shut up. He doesn't need to know what we're after.
Right. Well, anyways, what we need you for is some good old-fashioned safe cracking. This is what you do, right? Here's how it's all gonna go down.
Hey, spare him the details. We're not gonna bore the man to death.
Headbutt!
Ah, mamma mia!
Come on. You're not going to get away with this.
Ugh, I'm tired of this charade. So, are you in or out, Jack?
I've told you, Sergetti. I'm out.
This morning already? I want some breakfast. Let's get some spaghetti, boss.
We don't have time for spaghetti. Come here. I'm tired of this man.
I'm really hungry.
No. Take this gun, if I can get it out. Here, take this gun, and go over to that line, and see if you can shoot it.
Whoopee! I'm so nervous.
You missed. By a lot.
Just you wait. I'll get you. Can I, boss?
Okay, whatever. Holy macaroni! You almost got him!
That was pathetic.
Who's there?
Trixie, honey.
Oh, Trixie!
Your boy Vinny offered to take me over, and you know I love to see my
Oh,
stuff.
Vinny.
Aren't you glad I did that, boss?
Oh, I know.
Oh. Literally. Tony, what are you going on about?
Tony finally did something right for once.
Yeah, I did. Tell me all about it. Let's go.
I'm sure you know who I am by now. I'm told I'm in quite a few presents.
Trixie, why don't you talk some sense into him? We're done.
So you think you're pretty hot stuff and all? Saying no to helping a mob boss?
I'm just doing what's right.
You know, most people would give in when they heard the words $2 bills.
You're gonna bribe me with $2 bills?
Yeah? What's the problem?
Why would you bribe someone with $2 bills?
I don't know. Why do you have to be so stupid?
I'm not the one being stupid.
That was delicious.
Yeah, I know. Yum.
Hey, Trixie, what did you get done?
He didn't really say much.
What? We were gone an hour. What were you doing?
No, I tried.
You always try. You always say, can I come help, Bruno? Can I come help? But no, you never do. So get out. Just get out of here. You're useless. You're useless, woman. Vinny, go do whatever.
All right.
Well, I sent Vinny out to go get a friend of yours. If you're not gonna crack, maybe this guy will.
Yeah, we're using ancient Italian water torture. What was that?
Oh, I guess that's probably Vinny again. You know, we better go check that out. Let's go. Grab your gun.
Hey, Jack. Up here.
Jimmy, I told you to stay out of here.
Hold on. Shh, be quiet. Oopsie, quiet. Hold on, I'll get you out of this.
Finally.
Oh, by the way, you left these at the office.
Thanks, Jimmy.
We need to get back there and get Jack, okay? I'll go first. Sausage, wait!
Hey, drop your gun. Drop your gun.
Wait, Mr. Sergetti. We can settle this peacefully. You don't want Trixie getting hurt, do you?
That dumb tramp? She hasn't done anything. She's just along for the ride.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Don't worry about it. Whoa, that's intense. Oh, let's go get some cappuccinos or something.
Sounds like a plan, Jimmy.
Just another day at the office.